to give you a tour of the California Consumer Confidence Report application. It's a water quality portal for California. You can access it at this web address. And I'll begin with the caveat that it's probably best to explore it just by playing on your own. However, I will walk through it and show you a few of the features. So, beginning with this, there's a map interface to all of the locations for which we have consumer confidence reports. You can toggle base maps if you prefer dark or street view so that you can actually view individual streets and freeways and such. So I'm just zooming in here to a place near Porterville. Let's go back to light mode. We can click this button to zoom back to the original level. And let's look at filter by compliance status. So let's look at all of the out of compliance and return to compliance. Now we're just looking at out of compliance. And then we can add these back in. So let's add these back in. This button locates you on the map. So I've already allowed my browser to do that. So it tells me here I am in Viehmeyer Hall in Davis. So let's zoom out of Davis and let's actually just see what is nearby me. Okay, here we go. We got some looking for City of Davis. So I can view this consumer confidence report. I can also search the table for it. So let's say Davis, and so here we go, City of Davis. So I can view the consumer confidence report by clicking that as well. Or I can search this. So let's put an address in here. I won't put my address. So let's say 456 A Street in Davis, California. I don't even know if that's an address. Maybe not. Let's just do 646 D Street, Davis, California. All right. So that's a place. So that'll geolocate. Very useful. Let's view an individual consumer confidence report. So now I'm going to that. I've gone to that page for Davis. And first thing we see is this: the system is in compliance. That's a good thing. I put Spanish and Chinese as the primary secondary languages in addition to English. Those are the second and third most common languages spoken in California, but we could obviously add more. So this says this is the consumer confidence report for the period from 2017 to 2019, from the beginning of 2017 to September 15th, so the last time this was compiled. So I get some stats about the chemicals tested for, the number of chemicals detected, how many exceeded their maximum contaminant level, though exceedance itself does not constitute a violation. So we can look at that chemical. It was iron, so that the mean result was 308 micrograms per liter, but the MCL is 300. We can look at manganese, odor. These are the other things that were detected. I can scroll down. If I wanted to just look at nickel, I could do that. Let's see. And here is all the data. So this will include data that does not appear in this bar chart up here. So this bar chart is just the 26 chemicals detected, but this data table will include all 119 chemicals. We can search for a chemical, like maybe we're concerned about TCP, or I think it's just going to be 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane right there. That's why TCP wasn't coming up. It's trichloropropane. So that's useful. Let's save this as an Excel file. We'll open that up later. Or CSV. And here's some stuff about the City of Davis public water system. Services this many people, individuals, primary water source type groundwater. And if I was on my smartphone, I could just click this and I could call those people. This is the health agency, and these are links to the Google, you can see in the bottom left corner, it's taking me to Google Maps. So here's some more information about my water system. in the city of Davis right here. Here's some more information. Where's my contact information? I can tweet this if I want. This will take me to Twitter, and it'll put in the water quality of the location and the compliance status. Let's go back to the reports though. So let's go back to the main page. Frequently asked questions are right here, so we can learn more about maximum contaminant levels, compliance status, different categories in the table. I really try to think of the different questions that other people had when they looked at this in early versions, plus questions that I anticipated. Did the California state government make this website? No, it did not. Not endorsed by the government. Yeah, can I fork this project and add to it? Of course. And then here's the license. It's a MIT license, so it's open source. Anyone can use it. And I think I've really gone over 2 minutes. I apologize for that. Here's some more information about the project. These are the links to all the GitHub repos for all the code. And here are ways to share the project from the main page. All right, I've spoken a lot. Thanks for your time and attention.